Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss on the topic limitation period and lockdown. Limitation period, a legally specified period beyond which an action may be defeated or a property right does not continue. Limitation period apply for suit, appeal or application. For example, after a check bounce, a person has to send a notice to the opposite party within a period of 30 days demanding the payment of said amount of money, yet 30 days is prescribed as limitation period. Expiry of period when court is closed. Section 4 of Limitation Act 1963 states that when the prescribed period for any suit, appeal or application expires on a day when the court is closed, the suit, appeal or application may be instituted, preferred or made on the day when the court reopens. Explanation: a court shall be deemed to be closed on any day within the meaning of this section if during any part of its normal working hours it remains closed on that day. Check. Section 6 of Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 defines check. A check is a bill of exchange drawn on a specified banker and not expressed to be payable otherwise than on demand, and it includes the electronic image of a truncated check and a check in the electronic form. Dishonor of check given in section 138. There are three crucial limitation periods to be remembered during a check bounce case. First, the check has been presented to the bank within a period of 3 months from the date on which it is drawn. Second, the payee or the holder of the check, as the case may be, makes a demand for the payment of the said amount of money by giving a notice in writing to the drawer of the check within 30 days of the receipt of information by him from the bank regarding the return of the checks as unpaid. And third, the drawer of such check fails to make the payment of the said amount of money to the payee or, as the case may be, to the holder in due course of the check within 15 days of the receipt of the said notice. Arbitration. Arbitration means use of a neutral third party known as arbitrator to settle a dispute. Section 29A of Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 discuss about time limit of arbitral award. Subsection of 29A1 of Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 discuss the award that shall be made within a period of 12 months from the date the arbitral tribunal enters upon the reference on which the arbitrator or all the arbitrators, as the case may be, have received notice in writing of their appointment. Now, limitation period and lockdown. The Supreme Court has extended the limitation period for statutory provisions under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 and Section 29A of Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 with effect from March 15 until further orders. In case the limitation has expired after 15/3/2020, then the period from 15/3/2020 till the date on which the lockdown is lifted in the jurisdictional area where the dispute lies or where the cause of action arises shall be extended for a period of 15 days after the lifting of lockdown. It was added by the bench comprising of CJI S.A. Bobde, Justice Deepak Gupta and Justice Rishikesh Roy.